So today I am visiting Hampstead and I just want to show you a couple of things you can do here because it's such a nice area. Hampstead is known for many different shops and restaurants, and the first one that we visited is Boulangerie Bon Martin, where I had a vegan cupcake and Vietnamese coffee. If you're looking for antique shops or just something unique, you should definitely head down to Hampstead, and there's little alleyways filled with shops just like that. We next stopped at Manny's, where they have delicious smoothies such as the berry smoothies and other snacks as well. Many important people have once lived in Hampstead that are now part of history, and where I'm going to show you next is actually a graveyard where important people were buried. John Harrison was the inventor of the timekeeper, whereas John Constable was famous for his open-air sketches and large exhibition paintings. Fun fact, John Harrison's lesser watch became popular on Only Fools and Horses in an episode, which is why he's also known by the Only Fools and Horses fans. Another spot that's worth visiting in Hampstead is the Hampstead Heath Woods, where it's actually picturesque with loads of lakes and beautiful sceneries. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe and have a great day.